Today, we work on cleaning the mental clutter in our minds. Rather than suppressing our thoughts or feeling ashamed, angry, or distracted, today we notice. We notice its existence, not its power. We listen as a bystander listening to a stranger on a train or a bus or on a sidewalk. We observe the chatter of the stranger with curiosity. We are merely listening for clues. Take out a pen and a paper or use the Notes app in your phone. To get settled in this activity, take one slow breath in, and as you exhale, give yourself the permission to respond honestly and without judgment. Now ask yourself, what has been distracting me from doing the things I'd really like to do? What has been pulling me away from myself? Is it demands, expectations, self-doubt, shame, feeling not enough, or maybe a story that someone else has given to us? And again, without judgment, let the answers rise. And for the next few moments, write freely. Finish your last thought and bring yourself back to the present moment. Thank yourself for being open and honest. You now have more awareness and clarity of your hangups, anything unresolved, or any underlying things that you may have wanted to tackle, setbacks, internal motivations, whatever came up for you. Notice it like the bystander on the street, or simply a friend, merely listening, gathering information, and noticing. You get to decide where you want it to go next. You are one step closer to the life you really want to live. One that is deserving, one that is confident, and one that honors yourself. Nice work.